In this video, let me show you the exact way that you can use ChatGPT to upgrade or update your resume. So the best way on how you can do this is you need to find, first of all, the job description or the job that you are trying to apply for. So what you can do is open our ChatGPT and then first of all, insert your CV that you've created. Once a CV has been inserted in the ChatGPT, then what you can do is paste in the exact job description. Now, what you can say is add in a prompt, and you can give a simple prompt like this, which says analyze my current resume against the job description to identify missing skills and experiences. Now, as soon as you do that, it will take a look at your CV as well as the job description, and it is going to give you all of these steps that you need to follow or all of the additional points that you need to add inside of your CV. Now, by doing this, you should be able to know the missing points or the weak points that you have inside of your CV, and by using these exact steps, you can improve your CV. Now, apart from this, what you can also do is ask it to write a updated summary of your profile. So you can give a prompt like this, which says rewrite my professional summary and work experience that aligns with the job description. So you can give in this prompt and it will give you a professional summary that matches the exact job description that you provided previously. So using this exact method, you can use ChatGPT to upgrade your resume. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.